All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to type in the quadratic formula into Desmos. Now, if you remember, the equations that we have are written right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of this stuff here. Let me highlight all this here. And I'm going to go ahead and put that into Desmos. So the way we start out is I want to start out with a fraction. So I'm just going to hit the divide button. I think it's important to start with a fraction. That way you have the top and the bottom. So, okay, we start off, we have negative parentheses, -5. So I'm going to go here, negative parentheses, -5. And then I'm going to do the plus case first, and then I'll show you what to do for the minus. So I'm going to do negative, -5 plus, and then we get the square roots. The square root button is right over here. Oops, I want that in the top of the fraction. So, and then if we look back, we got parentheses -5 to the power 2. So parentheses -5 to the power 2. So I'm going to hit the squared button right here. Minus 4 times 1, and then 4 times, or sorry, minus 4 times 1 times -14. So we had to put 1 here, and then we got to put -14. Okay, so that's where we're at so far. Then I need to divide it by the final piece here, 2 times 1. That's equal to 7. Now, there's so much room to make a mistake here, it's not even funny. If you look at how many things I inputted a lot, all for it to equal 7. So I'm going to do the exact same thing, but let me teach you a shortcut. If you just highlight this entire thing, I don't think it's letting me do it. If you Control and C at the same time, you can then hit Control and V and paste the entire thing. The only thing I need to change is I need to change this plus into a minus. Give me my second answer, which is -2. So those are our two answers. The solution to this equation here, x squared minus 5x minus 14, is both 7 and -2. And let me show you kind of the relationship there. X squared minus 5x minus 14. If you look, the two solutions are the x-intercepts that we've discovered from the last unit here. So everything is kind of related. And if you think back to what we were just doing when we squared things, or when we took the square root of things, we were given two solutions. So here we are once again in a world where we have two solutions, which is a little uncommon, but we're also using the quadratic formula to get these two solutions. And again, if you're thinking, why are there two solutions? It's because of this square root right there. That square root is going to cause us to have two different solutions because we have to add and subtract it. So that's how you enter things into Desmos through the quadratic formula. You're going to get plenty more practice as we do more examples here. But if at any point you need to refresh yourself on how to type this in, strongly recommend you rewatch this video, notice all the different keystrokes that I do, or just ask me for help if you need it.